So hello Gews, welcome again to a new video. So today's video is very interesting and today's video is about CSS forms. So what is CSS forms? So this video is gonna be very interesting, so stay tuned in this video and don't skip and see the full video for your entire understanding. So let's get started with today's video. So this is our first program in CSS forms. So I'm just want to copy this and show you how this runs, because without showing you the output you will not understand. Okay, so I've copied this entire program and I'll paste in Node++, saving it by the name of 1.html as it is our first program for today. Saving it. So I've saved it. So where is my file? Here is my file. So my file is here. Let's see the output. So this is an interesting output using CSS to style an HTML form. So it is showing that write your first name, write your last name, and your country: Canada, Australia, US. Achha, my country is India. So we have to choose like this. Only 3 options are there in the program. So we are getting 3 options only. Now let's have a look in the program how we made it. So this is the program. So we have started with what we have started. We have started with HTML. Then we have come with style tag. We have put input text type select with this 100% of this entire thing. Padding is 12x, margin is 8x into 0. Then displays inline block. Acha, border 1 pixel solid, hash, this is CSS code, hash code. Then border radius 4px, then boxing size of the border. Then we have close the bracket. Then we have come to the next bracket. What we have written, actually, guys, I think we have to do a bit memorizing this program for doing this, because it's a bit complicated, not easy, a bit complicated, but not that tough. Okay, so the next thing is that input type submit. Then the width is 100%, background color is this, right? Then color white, then padding is 14px with 20 peaks, margin is 8 peaks into 0, border is none. Achha, if you can give this tag or you cannot give, okay, that will not make a difference. Okay, got it. Then we have come to the cursor pointer. Acha, the cursor pointer, here is the cursor pointer, right? So there are huge tags used in this element. This is a very tough one, but not that much tough. Okay, the next we have written input type submit, hover, background color, which is this one. It is an code, hash code. So under div tag we have written border radius 5 pics, background color this one. You can give color name also for a better understanding. Padding 20 pics. Acha. Then we have close style tag. Then we have come to the main thing, that is the body. In heading you have used using CSS to style forms. As you can see over here, the heading is this, right? Next we have started div tag. From action we have written from action equal to in quotation action page. This one we have to write. Now level form of infame first level. Now next is input type text id frame and the first name placeholder, which is your name, right? So you have to maintain everything, every key point of this program, okay, or else the program will not be running properly. Next we have come to level for I name, last name, level. Then input type text id name and my name, last name. Next we have come to level for your country. Now we have given option, as I said you before, only 3 options are there, so there are 3 options. So let me put one more option, as I am not any of these options. I am from India, so I'm gonna put this option value equal to equal in quotation, I'm an Indian, right? Quotation, I'm an Indian. My Indian, right? So quotation close, then close the bracket, then write India, then write India, then you have to close the tag which you opened, that is the option tag, OPDION. I have closed option tag. Now just save this. I have to save this, right? So I'm copying this, I'll paste it in my notepad. Where is my notepad? Okay, here is my notepad. Paste it. Option value India quotation, right? Save this. Now let's refresh. Am I getting the option? Yes, I'm an Indian. Right. Why the eye is small? Oh, gee, I've done a mistake. The eye is small. Okay, whatever. Now let's go for further in the program. That is input type and submit value. Value equal to submit. The submit, for the submission you have to write this. Then from tag close and close div tag. Then only this much. It's easy but a little bit complicated. So this was an interesting program. So let me write my name. My name is Yousuf, right? Yousuf. Last name is blog. Submit. Achha, whatever. Then there is a net issue, right? There is a net issue over here. We will do this later. So today for only this much in this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos, right? Stay tuned, don't go anywhere, stay tuned. And if you like this video, if you understand this video, then please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more this type of HTML contents. We just create HTML contents over here. Thank you.